Hello everyone, welcome to PK4. Today let's learn about the multi-entry screen. So in the multi-entry screen, we have three subtabs as multi-line, weekly and multi-day. Multi-line is the option where you can select specific dates and enter the time details. I will select the date. The start time is by default it is set to 8 a.m. in this org, so I'll leave it as it is. You can make any changes. If you want, you can make it as 9 a.m. It depends upon your wish. Then I will select the project task and work type, enter the notes if any, and if I want to copy from the previous row, I can just click the copy icon. So the previous row details are copied here. Once it is copied, I can make the changes and click the submit button. So the time is now submitted. So this is how you enter the time for yourself. You can also enter the time for the users that report to you, or you can enter the time for all the users in your org. So this is configurable. Now I'll show you how to add the time details for other users. Select the user from the users list. So now the configuration is changed because earlier you were seeing project, task and work type. Now you see only project and task. That is because this user has a different app key with different configuration. So here again it's the same. I can select the date, time, hours worked and all the other details and click the submit button. So this is how the multi-line works.